Want to know how to uninstall the Best Buy app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily uninstall or remove the Best Buy app from your Android or your iPhone. So let's get straight to it. The first things first, you can just simply see this Best Buy application right here. So you can just simply hold on to its app icon, and here you can just simply select uninstall right here. You can see this trash can icon. You can just simply select that and then select uninstall. It should be uninstalled. So if that's not possible, just simply head towards the Play Store or the App Store. Just simply select that and then search up for Best Buy. Just simply head towards the search bar and type in Best Buy, and you should be right here. Now just simply select to open the Best Buy about information, and here you can see all the information about Best Buy. So right beside open, you should also be seeing uninstall. Just simply select that and then select uninstall right here. And once that is done, your Best Buy application should be uninstalled, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.